Hi guys, it's been a bit of a while. It's a bit of an update and unboxing. I got a new printer. So, be working on a bike pretty soon. I actually started a bit. I did the shunt mod on the controller, and I used to have a 30 amp fuse on here, and now I blow the fuse. So I'm thinking maybe I need to change my battery setup because I don't want to overamp my batteries. And all the ASICs are there. They're gonna be cleaned and sold. Everything is off in the crypto except for the Chia. So even my meter is reading 0 at the moment. Graphic cards, well, I started selling them off. I built PCs. I built one so far. This is the second one. Oh, it's on the wrong side. I'll close the box. Too much stuff in my garage. Give me a second. I'll turn it upside down. No, turn it directly. Still is in the building process. It's mostly built, just missing put the hard drive in it and the windows and everything. Test it out. 3070 with 3900X. I can build another one with one of my mining motherboards. That's right there. Dirty, haven't cleaned in a while. And graphic cards are going to be sold separate or in other PCs because I got other PCs I can build with. I have to pass through and get the best ones. Like I have a few here too. Power supply and almost like Red Panda stuff everywhere, but I need to go through it there. Falling on a week off next week. So this is the new printer. Anycubic Cobra X. So it's going to be a bit of an unboxing for now, and I'll do another review video probably later on. So I opened the box because the top of the box had a little bit of shipping damage, but underneath of the box is nice. I'll try to do this one hand in there, try not to shake too much. And I did lose my phone at Christmas and a whole bunch of videos I was working on. So right now I'm filming on my Motorola Edge 2022. So it's a 4-year-old phone. So I hope the footage is not that bad. And then my Bluetooth mic doesn't work no more either. So yeah, it's been a good time. And I forgot, I got more GPUs over here that I took apart already. Well, took off the rig, some 3070s. No cooler, it's not good. RAM for the next PC, cooler for the next PC. I also got SSDs inside. I got 2 SSDs, new SSDs. Those are just GPUs for displays, or old GPUs. And underneath there, well, there's a 1080 Ti with a missing fan, but it still works, I do believe. Come back to the printer. Foam, don't need that. Toss that in back of the general. Still equipped for the plow and everything. The tracks and the snow plow. 7 feet wide, I do believe it is. Full windows, heating and everything. Here's a bag of goodies. The bolts to build it, a little bit of filament. Put that there. Build plate, double-sided. Nice. So this printer is the Cobra X. It has 4 colors built into one head, and it cuts it at the head. Some covers. Put the parts over there. The wire. The gantry, which I'll have to put my phone down to get out. Or hold the phone and do it one-handed, maybe. Oh yeah. It is a big head. I'll give them that. That's yeah. It's a nice head though. Has a nice built-in camera here that you can with a shutter, and those are your sensors. Nice print head. The air comes by the side for the cooling, and there's the fan probably for the heat sink itself. Well, let's move it aside. Okay, take out the foam. More foam. Those are the spool holders, I believe. Yes. And let's put that there for now. Right there. Pieces for the spool. I haven't done a video in a while. I have been busy with work and a whole bunch of stuff. So once the foams are all removed, that are over there, this is what you end up with. Your book, which I might need to read. Your tubing for your foreheads. Cutter. Well, the poop chute if you want. It cleans up there. And that would be the printer, which I will have to put the phone down. Or just put it on the stand. Sorry for the hand in the screen, but yeah. Hopefully you don't see my face. Oh, now that that's out, might as well put all the foam back in there. Because I don't think the printer's going back in there anytime soon. Because I don't have a tendency to sell my printers, I should maybe get rid of some that I don't use. Make room for new ones. Might happen this summer in a garage sale. Oh, toss this box to the side. Put this like this. Go get some cutters. So it's pretty well packed, I'll give them that. Ooh, big tie wraps. Am I gonna need better cutters? I know what, things next. And usually every printer that I bought so far, they give you one of these. But yeah, I didn't see that with this one. I cut the tie wrap so I'll be able to save them. Just peel the little end out and then you can reuse it. Makes for a nice tie wrap. There. Oops, some more foam. Ooh, nice. Yeah, last printer I bought was a Solvo SD06 when they first came out. Well, actually I bought like 4 of them, but yeah. So now I got a printer for almost every situation. I got multicolor, I got double extruder, the big one. Then I got my resin. I got some normal FDM printers for mass production. I hope you guys are seeing all this. Oh yeah, it's not that bad. Little tape that I don't know what's hiding under there. Oh. So you can see how tight your belt is. Ooh, there's an RF scanner over here. Put the build plate on there. No, there's little holes to line it. I wonder what that this is there. Clean the nozzle maybe, I don't know. No, let's open the bag of goodies. can't believe they actually have to put this on there. Lubricant, not edible. I don't know who thinks that they put edible stuff in the printer, but yeah. And then I'm figuring this goes like this. Oh, you screw the screw by the top. Usually it's underneath and it's more of a hassle. And I might flip it. Or you guys are going to see more, and at the same time it's going to be easier for me. Please, they give you the key to assemble it with a magnet, which I don't know why. Like I said, I might need to read the instructions for some of the stuff they sent with this. Oh, and I got something to do. It to go faster. You know, the gift my wife got me last Christmas. Hoping they got the right size for it. Now that one. Bingo! There we go. It's not very strong, but it's gonna go faster than my hand will. Yeah, this printer is gonna be assembled in no time. Whoa. So the noise you're hearing right now is the fan to cool my Shia. Now that I have miners on top, I could probably close off the fans for the external hard drives. Some of them are in the PC all compact, so it's nice to have a fan on them to keep them cool. Hey. Back then with all the heat from the ASICs and everything, it would create heat, and I didn't want to overheat my hard drives. So, but now it's more or less useless because nothing is running. And for now, I'll build a printer like it's supposed to be with filament holders on top and everything. But probably it's gonna go in my cabinet with my other printers, and the filament's gonna be on top of the cabinet itself. That's what I'm thinking, anyways. Because they're basically the same as what I got in there, so the hole was made for a printer this size, basically. Huh? I had one screw go higher. It was hard, but then the other one was soft. Yeah, it's kind of like the platform went up and they loosed them all. I just finished a 12-hour shift today. I wasn't going to unbox it, but I want to see it. So here it is. It's going to be unboxed. Review is going to be coming up soon. Very soon. In a few days I'll be off for a week, so I'll have time to do some videos. I might film the next tower when I build it. Cleaning the GPUs, and cleaning the motherboard. Making all new. last summer I did heat my pool with my A6. I had the video I was working on, but when I lost my phone, it was on my phone and everything, so I lost that one, and I lost the video about my greenhouse harvest. I was gonna make a few videos out of that. And then at Christmas I lost my phone at work and it got destroyed in the wood chipper. But I was sure since it was on the app that I do my editing on, it would be saved on there, but it wasn't. It was only saved on my phone. So the towers are on. I don't know what you guys see now, but pick up this little bit and put the covers. And the wire, I guess it goes just like this. And I need to do the head and these. So for now, I'll put this down again, put it with some tools before it gets too much of a mess. Alright. Put away the tools because I don't think I'm. Maybe for the. I have one screw left out of the bunch. One little screw. I'll put them in there for now. So I don't lose nothing. The filament won't go in there. The grease will. Okay. Here. Here. Oh. Garbage. Oh, I forgot I gotta plug this in too. Oh, and I gotta remove some stuff also in the printer itself. See over here, there's little stoppers that you gotta remove on each side. So I cut the tie wrap for the head. Ooh. One more tie wrap, one more bag. These are the covers. Oh. Why did they give me a cover extra? See, I might need the instructions after all, because this I'm really not sure. It looks like it slides on somewhere. If I felt right, there's a little spot right there for this. Okay. So are you supposed to put a screw in there? Oh, that's where my little screw goes. Okay. And well, I just dropped the little screw in my toolbox. Got it. Need a bigger screwdriver. Is that not big enough? It's not a flathead screwdriver, it's a Phillips. It's a Allen key that they give you. Alright. Too small, I didn't really look. There you go. So are those two the keys? Oh yeah, that's the same keys. Okay. I'll loosen them up, remove this. Move this. Oh. To cut, I guess. If you want, manual cut it. Okay, I'll go. I'll loosen them and then I'll get them with my screwdriver. Should be faster. So snow is melted outside. I started some garden stuff. I didn't show that earlier. I could before I end off. Start my seeds. Oh, a bit bigger. There you go. I should have put the covers in the bottom before I drop a screw in there, but a bit late for that. Okay, one's off. Let's put the covers before I go too far. The big R. That must be right. There goes the right one. Could have put the sticker a little bit easier to remove. So now that that's done, I can do this. Now you guys probably don't see nothing no more. Yeah, I thought they were linear rails on the side, but apparently not. So how hard are those little stickers to remove? That's not that easy. I need some alcohol to remove it completely, but yeah, they are removable, just they're not removal friendly kind of thing. Sorry for dangling the wire in your face. No. And then on the side you got your put some stuff away. Too much of it. That there. So oh, it's because they wanted to go up. I was wondering why it was so long. Oh, it's so long because it goes underneath. Oh, I see. I see. You don't see, but now you're gonna see. On the side, half on the side, I guess. Ay, ay, ay. Should I be reading the book about this right about now? Because I can definitely plug it. Oh, that's your... yeah, that plugs in there. Oh, phone just off. You guys went for a ride. Okay, what I'll do is I'll pause and so yeah, it's all done now. It gives you something there to claps you can put around your wire to hold it in place and everything. And they give you the second lid. I don't know what it was for. That's what it was for. Put that in place to hide your wires and everything. And now we got the filament holders to put, which are not supposed to be that hard. Sorry for the angle, because I'll need both my hands to be doing this. And the way they put them to hide their screws of the gantry. Ooh. Okay. Ah. Oh. Ah. Filament holder and caps. Not sure if I got a filament holder somewhere. No, I got filament somewhere. Just somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. But you can put them before. I don't know why they're removable. What does it give you? Now, hoping. Oh yeah, you get the room to fit your spools inside at least. Oh, that's the wrong side. Let's flip it. So two black. This is they might be the same thing. PTG, and this is ASA, which I don't know if I'll be able to print with this, but I might give it a try. Okay, just for the fun of it, I just picked another spool which is like that. That's this one is TPU, I do believe, which it is supposed to be able to print it. So I'll do this. A quick second. Move the head. I'll wire the. They give you the tubes. I'm figuring they're pre-cut the same length and everything. They tell you which is which. 3, 4, 2. Bit of a weird order, but oh well. I don't decide the order, and then you go on the head, and they give you the numbers. And they give you the numbers on there. Yeah, 3. So you take 3 and you find 3, and then you plug it into 3, which would be the side one there. And that's 3. And then this is 4. One, she's right in the back. And they give you a star. I find it weird that I could have switched them. Yeah, I'll switch them. Can't be too hard to remove, right? Phone almost fell again. Oh, not that bad. Let's remove the filaments of this. Put this one on there. Let's untangle the wires right away. This is when reading instructions could be useful. I don't know why, but could be useful. Whoa, don't make it fall. I might need to remove them. Or maybe not. There we go. So at least they're on both the same sides now. And yeah, which is the Insta360. The price is up there. So there's one thing that I saw yesterday that I didn't see today. It was a plastic star for my wires, which I don't know what I did with. Did it fall on the ground or something? Or did I misplace it? Oh, I threw a bunch of baggies earlier away. It might have been in the baggie. It might have had his own little baggie. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Put you guys down again, because I'll need my two hands for this. So, the way I get it, okay. So it keeps it all neat together. I think I'd be tempted to put a tie wrap in between them or something, or just put it lower, maybe. Gotta pull on this one. Something like that, I guess. So that would be the printer completely done. And I'm not firing it up tonight because I got no time. I gotta go to bed. 6 a.m. is gonna come up fast. Oh, okay. If I peel off, they put a little. I'm not gonna be able to take off that paper. There is a screen in there that tells you what you're on and everything. And there is a way to remove it. Oh, there we go. Don't want to break nothing. So you can get to your quick swap head. Yeah, it's a cutter. I guess you cut it there and then pull it up. Oh, I'll have to watch a video and everything. So the cooling head is laid flat in the back, I do believe. Oh yeah, right in that little hole right there. Yeah, and then it blows forward through the ducts right here. And then comes out underneath. And it goes back all the way. And the side fan, the little side fan is for the heatsink itself. Alright, then wait to try that maybe tomorrow. And there's these things too. Strips again. Oh, those caps are removable. Probably why they put that there, so the caps don't come off and break in transport. Yeah, they're just a little clippy. Peel that off, it came off with it. There are a few screws. You probably take off the plastic cap, and there's probably real screws underneath. So that's it for the new cubic for tonight. And I talked about my plants earlier, but didn't show it. Garage is a mess. I'll be doing some cleanup this week. So garden plants I started. Side is celery. tomato, tomato, and that's all peppers. And then in this one, I got cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, salad, and cucumbers. And then one of these is strawberries. I just planted them, so they're not out yet. Strawberries, blueberry, and the other one is strawberry, blueberry, and I don't know when it comes out there. It's something that I don't think is gonna come out, but if it does, it does. Onions. Yeah, I started my onion by seed this year. So thanks for watching, and next video should be a review of this thing, first print and everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.